It's a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, auto dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive mentions the lockable floor console is large enough to hold a picnic lunch for a family of 4. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.